Look, I'm creating educational coloring pages for kids to develop their soft skills, and I have a lot of ideas with a different series of coloring pages, like Base, Dino, Linneo, etc., etc. And my strategy is to sell not one, I don't know, 100-page coloring book, digital, but a lot of small episodes with a smaller price, I think. So therefore, I need to categorize, obviously, and the second goal is to make it more efficient, because if I'm going to produce episodes weekly, I mean Gumroad listings weekly, therefore I need to make it easier, make the process easier. So I'm starting with the template, and in this video I'm just recording on the go how I found all the features, I mean all the buttons, etc. And the main thing was I couldn't find an appropriate example with good categories, product categories. Basically, people sell just I mean one type of products. They have one, two categories, pages, and that's it. I want to upload many episodes of many series. That's why I wanted to find something like folders, and finally I found. So I hope that it will bring some value. And one more note. Basically, I'm adding different notes in 5 languages. Not to sell, because basically I'm going to use social media platforms for my sales and promotion as well. This website, for me at least, is a place for a safe transaction. It's a place to finalize the process of the purchase. So it doesn't look like a nice I don't know website, like right? It's just a place. I mean, I'm using this. I'm using these listing images just to show that yes, you are going to purchase the right digital product, and there are a lot of notes. Please read, because I can't return your money, and it's a digital purchase, digital product, not a physical product, etc. All those notes.
This is how my shop looks like now, and I'm going to start with a template. So I decided to create an episode template and duplicate it so that I spend less time being more productive. So I'm going to create a product. Let's name it base 000 digital product, $5 for example. Then next, and yeah, I will start with my thumbnail. Here it is, 1080p. Well, the languages are not seen, I guess. I should have tested my thumbnail in the Microsoft Explorer, and now it's obvious that it wasn't a good idea to use a background for my country flags. I created my thumbnail in Canva, so as a text, just as a text. So I will try different options, maybe with a simple shadow or borders, and find an appropriate effect. I think this effect is the best one. Okay, here it is. Let's check the thumbnail. Well, it's not perfect, it is better. I still don't love it, but can be. Okay, I changed the intensity and it came a little bit better. So this was too dark for this, let's say, white parts. And this is good enough to divide from the white background. Now I'm deleting the old one and uploading again. Okay, let's move on. Now my creatives, horizontal images, computer 1 2 with the 2 to 3 ratio. Okay, it can be in water, but yeah, this is the second one. Not perfect, but okay, can be. Now the link, base 000. Next, I'm going to paste my notes in 5 languages. Basically, there are no keywords. Maybe I will change my mind in 10 episodes or something like that. But for now, I need to make sure that everybody is happy, and I mean no problems with their refunds, etc. Okay, and pasting here. Well, it is different in different languages. I mean the formation, but I will figure something out. Okay, I will just paste with paste holding down Shift and Control for formation, and then remove these numbers, I guess. Alright, it's ready. See how it looks. So the text, the link, I have no domain. So the cover, images, thumbnail, I don't know which call to action. Well, why did we just buy this? The summary is quite important. So I will add 7 pages and PDF file, 7 pages. Maybe I will change it later. Basically, I need to add in different languages. I'm not sure. Okay, set the pagina. And Spanish. Looks weird to tell the truth, but okay. Maybe I need to delete the French version, set page or something like that. I think this is okay. I will skip this block for this template. I'm not sure that I want to spend time on this because I'm going to drive my traffic from social media platforms, and the main work is there, not here. I have no hope to sell something through the search. Then I have no idea about these integrations, pricing. Installments. I don't like when it's written 5+ or something like that. For example, for me, when I saw this for the first time, it wasn't obvious if it costs $5 or more than $5. Why did they write 5+, not just 5? It wasn't obvious, so I don't want to confuse my customers. So I'm going to just use with no tips or something like that. I will use Buy Me Coffee page for donations. Then versions. Now I need to add 5 versions. For now, I think it is a good idea to add versions instead of providing 5 different PDF files in one listing, let's say in one version, but maybe I will change my mind. I will not limit for now. I don't allow to choose quantity because it makes no sense. They will pay more and maybe complain later. Publicly show the number of sales, not now. And if I'm not mistaken, I need to add this one. I will check in my first listing because I was reading about it detail. So yeah, in my first publication, just to test the process out, the payment process, I've chosen as e-publication, digital asset. So yeah, I'm going to mark this. Now I'm going to add 5 versions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Yeah. So this will be English. This, or maybe I should use this country flags. Maybe it will be more interesting. Yeah, something like that. So this is the first version. This is the second one, Italiano. This is Espanol, etc. Frankly speaking, maybe I made a mistake. I should have written in the description box, I mean in different languages, but I will check this out. I'm not really sure. I think this information is hidden in my listing until we choose this option, but I will check this out. It's very, very important. because the cancellation information to my mind is crucial. Or I can just add for now, right? Just to save my time and create eventually my first listing in I don't know, 4 months as I started creating the digital product. So I need to do this as soon as possible. I will improve later because it brings no value in reality. I just need to make this clear for my customers that it's digital and there are just 7 pages. That's it. If you want, you can buy it. I guess that's it. Description, additional amount. Wait, additional amount. I'm not sure that I should have added this. Well, we will test it out. We'll test it, but maybe it will be 5 plus $5, which is too much. Okay, save and continue. Now here we can choose to the right the version, and this is the text that our customer will see after the purchase in his email, right? So I've already prepared some text and translated. So I'm going just to paste for each version, something like that. I don't remember the name of my Italian page. Maybe Giochi per Empatia, something like that. I will add later. Or I can just use my international version and then I will change it. Why not? That's totally fine. So yeah. Save changes, etc. Alright, the text is pasted, and how to upload the file. There is a button. I just don't know where to point. Should it be after, or let's say let's start a new line, then press computer file. Yeah, and I have created two versions in English, A4 and letter size, for Australia and the US. So yeah, I'm starting a new line and then upload as a file. Okay, and then they can download. Okay, we can also add a description here for the file, stamp. I don't know what this means, and the thing is, we're creating a template, not an actual listing. So for now, I need to remove these files because I will need to replace them for each episode. So for now, I'm just creating a new line, and remember this process. So this is the content. I mean, theoretically, if someone buys right now, right this second, they will get just this image, and this will be the content that they have already paid for, which is not nice, but I'm sure that nobody will buy it now. I have no posts, no ads, no content on Instagram, etc. So save changes, share, not yet, you can publish your custom product. Wait, save changes, publish and continue, right? Let's try this. Yes, I have published, and now I can share, but I'm not going to. Then choose the category for the Gumroad search. We will do that later. Text as well. Only for adults? No. So yeah, save changes, and let's check our store, how the customers see it. Now listing. So again, in the products section, here we can see that the price is 10. So there we have added an additional price. That was a mistake. But I can just see my listing. I can of course open it. I can open it, but I just don't get. So here is how it looks like. 7 pages, not bad, by the way. I can just add the PDF 7 pages to make it even more clear. Here, additional information. I think it looks weird. I mean, just same stuff, and also, yeah, I like it. I mean, at least on desktop. So everything is obvious. The price is wrong. I will fix it. So 5 options we are choosing, only in English by this, but okay. Maybe I will find an international version of this button, I don't know. So I should add my logo. This is quite clear, I guess. The main language is English, that's why I'm using in bold. The image is up to 1 megabyte, so that it works fast, because there is a problem with the Gumroad. The loading is very long, really. So English, Italiano, the space is quite big. I like it. I think this part is weird to the right. Maybe I will check on my mobile phone and then remove this. Okay, if I want to edit my listing, I'm pressing on the title, not on the link. So I don't really need this weird line, so I'm removing it. It's not really necessary. Then here I can add just PDF, right? PDF file. If I'm not mistaken, they use also in Italy, Spain, the Word file, but I'm not sure. I will just use PDF, or just PDF file in English and PDF in other languages. No additional amount for each version. Alright, save changes, and let's reload our page. Okay. Maybe I need to just wait a little bit. Or maybe there's a problem with the textile. Well, it's not really important for now. It's okay. So, wow, I came up with another idea. I'm usually using let's say, the episode topic in appropriate languages, obviously. So for the Spanish page I'm writing for, or Italian espressione, I could add this here just to mention, I mean, so that I don't fill out this field, because I don't like very long titles, but it is quite convenient to have my titles here. So espressione, espression, etc. On the other hand, maybe for the next version of my template, because I have 4 different topics, like discipline, open-mindedness, etc., and I don't want to translate every time and change in my template. I want some universal template for all my topics. So the only problem now that I faced, I don't see it on my main page. Maybe I should first of all, I can try this on my in the private window, right? Maybe no, didn't work out. Well, it's another topic. I will find a way and share with you. For now, our listing is ready, and if we, by the way, we can just try this, and let's add listing base 000. Here it is. Let's buy the French version. Buy this. So this is our information to get the file, right? Can add a tip. That's cool. And then now for this recommendations. All right. As I understand, we could add additional information here, which is not bad, by the way, on checkout. I will think about it later, but even now it looks okay because we have already added all the information. Of course, I can just duplicate the cancellation and other information, but or I'm not right, and there is no way to add additional information here. That's totally fine. So here we can just, here we see this information, the topic, right? Ah, no, wait. We have a description box here. Here. Aha, I see. Basically, this is the information on the main page. And here it is. And I see no way to add additional information on checkout, which is okay. This is what I need. Because I'm just thinking about filtering in my shop, not about Gumroad Discover, right? So I'm saving changes. I've added a category for Gumroad Discover. It's not a big deal. As for text, let's also add, I don't know, really coloring pages, because I will divide them coloring books and games, something like that. So coloring book for books, coloring books. Okay, so we have now two tags. The changes have been saved, and let's reload and press this plus button. Then products. Maybe I need to do this manually every time, I'm not sure, but for now, or I will be able to divide by I think I can really divide them by series. That would be really cool. Let's just base, let's say base series, right? Then show product filters, yes, definitely. Then newest, the top, and then I am clicking here, and my listing appears, and that's it. Now I can sort by, yes, and now we can see tags. So base, coloring pages. And what about this? What if I add another section and name it, I don't know, just test, right? Or bunny. Bunny. Okay, I had a test listing, the coloring page. So also newest, show filters. And here I can hide this. I would like to try this out. By new page. By new page. I don't get. Does this mean? But for now, I need just one. So all I need is to check my website in a private window. Okay, great. Here we have our description. Here, our logo. Later I will add shop name. This. That's really cool. So I can either mix all my coloring books, or sort them out by type, by series. That's really great. I didn't know. I was devastated and thinking that the tags are the only way to sort my digital products. So now, if I choose this, for example, I'm just curious. What if I add here? I mean, I'm curious if this filter element works for this section or for the entire shop. This is a good question, and I think I will find a way to check this. I will just go to my product and add coloring pages, add another base tag, right? And now if I open my shop, and what's wrong with this? No product. Why? Wait a second. Save changes. And that's weird, but okay, no products. Let's check this again. I don't like that it's manual, but I'm ready for this. So let's reload. Yeah, and now I'm choosing base. Not it's choosing not for the entire shop, but for this particular page, which is really awesome. I'm starting to love Gumroad more and more. So that's great. Well, basically I will decide later if I want to divide by types or series and share with you. For now, I'm just happy.